Greetings to everyone and a warm welcome. Today, I'll be exploring the topic existentialism in education, specifically honing in on the elements of information, knowledge, and wisdom. Let us try to understand the basic tenets of existentialism. Existentialism is a philosophical movement and perspective that emerged in the 19th and 20th centuries, particularly in response to the changing social, cultural, and philosophical landscape. Key existentialist thinkers include Søren Kierkegaard, Friedrich Nietzsche, Jean-Paul Sartre, Albert Camus, and Martin Heidegger. Existentialism is characterized by several fundamental ideas, basic tenets of existentialism. 1. Existence precedes essence. Existentialists argue that individuals exist first, and their essence or identity is not predetermined. Essence is shaped through one's choices and actions, emphasizing the importance of personal responsibility. 2. Freedom and responsibility. Existentialism places a strong emphasis on human freedom. Individuals are seen as free beings with the power to make choices, and this freedom comes with the responsibility to bear the consequences of those choices. 3. Individuality and subjectivity. Existentialists celebrate individuality and subjectivity. Each person's experience is considered unique, and understanding oneself requires an exploration of personal experiences and perspectives. 4. Anxiety and authenticity. Existentialism acknowledges the anxiety that arises from the awareness of one's freedom and responsibility. Authenticity is encouraged, meaning individuals should live true to themselves and their values. 5. Search for meaning. Existentialism asserts that life has no predetermined meaning. Individuals must create their own meaning through their choices, actions, and experiences. The search for meaning is a central aspect of human existence. Now let me discuss existentialism in education. Existentialist principles have influenced educational philosophy, leading to the development of existentialist education. In the realm of education, existentialism is manifested through 1. Individual-centered learning. Existentialist education focuses on the individual learner. The curriculum and learning experiences are designed to allow students to explore their interests, make choices, and take responsibility for their learning. 2. Freedom to choose. Existentialist educators promote freedom of choice in learning. Students are encouraged to select topics of interest, engage in self-directed projects, and make decisions about their educational path. 3. Emphasis on experience. Existentialism values personal experiences. In education, this translates to a focus on experiential learning, where students engage in real-world experiences to develop a deeper understanding of themselves and the world. 4. Responsibility for learning. Existentialist education emphasizes student responsibility. Learners are encouraged to take ownership of their education, set goals, and actively participate in the learning process. 5. Development of authenticity. Existentialist educators aim to foster authenticity in students. This involves encouraging individuals to reflect on their values, beliefs, and goals and align their actions with their authentic selves. Lastly, let us understand the concept of information, knowledge, and wisdom in existentialism. 1. Information in existentialism. Meaningful exploration. Existentialism encourages individuals to actively seek information that contributes to their personal understanding and meaning in life. Freedom of inquiry. The existentialist approach to information values the freedom to explore diverse sources, enabling individuals to shape their own perspectives and interpretations. 2. Knowledge in existentialism. Subjective understanding. Knowledge, within existentialism, is subjective and derived from personal experiences and choices. It is unique to each individual. Freedom to construct knowledge. Existentialism affirms the freedom of individuals to construct their own knowledge based on their interpretations of the world and their existential journey. 3. Wisdom in existentialism. Authentic living. Wisdom, in an existentialist context, involves living authentically and in alignment with one's values, even in the face of uncertainty and existential angst. Responsibility for choices. Wisdom is expressed through responsible decision making and the acknowledgement of the consequences of one's choices. 4. Freedom and responsibility in information and knowledge. Individual agency. Existentialism underscores the individual's agency in seeking information and constructing knowledge. This aligns with the belief that individuals are free to shape their understanding of the world. Responsibility for interpretation. Existentialists recognize the responsibility individuals bear for interpreting information and constructing their own knowledge, emphasizing the importance of critical thinking. 5. Anxiety and growth. Existential anxiety. The existentialist acknowledgement of anxiety is reflected in the exploration of challenging and potentially unsettling information. This anxiety can be a catalyst for personal and intellectual growth. Learning from uncertainty. Existentialism suggests that confronting existential anxiety can lead to profound insights and personal development, contributing to wisdom. 6. Meaning making and search for wisdom. Personal quest for meaning. Existentialism aligns with the idea that the search for wisdom is a personal quest for meaning and understanding. Continuous inquiry. Wisdom, in an existentialist framework, involves a continuous inquiry into the nature of existence and the personal significance of knowledge acquired along the way. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.